Udah loh Ega. Lo lo. Time to get some fish from here.
Something like a spear.
Took the picture already.
This is a video.
Take the video.
Yeah.
So we are in campaign. The longest distance ever.
This one, the river. Yeah, I'm getting some fish now. Check out this. This is the one they use for fishing. Yeah.
Huh? You hold it.
My
Press
brother
it.
is a hunter.
Press that one.
Hunter.
Oh, yeah.
Press
Video,
press
yeah?
that one.
Yeah.
Make sure you-
It's still working? Yeah. You're doing it? Check this out. This spear here. We use this one here.
For fishing.
Let me show you how to do it. Yeah. Get that down. You see that?
To stab both sides. Wherever you turn it up.
This is the riverside. This is where we bring the cows, the goats to come and drink water. But the river is a bit further down there. I ain't gonna go that far. Apparently the river is far.
It's far.
Yeah,
It
just
looks like this. Zigzag.
we will just now go around. Yeah. See, this is an amazing place. This is where I like the most at the farm. Very peaceful down here. Even the kids are here. Sunset. You want to throw it?
Yeah.
Throw it that way.
But net will not go far.
It doesn't matter. Just don't throw it backwards. That was throw. Huh? You wanna do round two? Okay. But be careful and stay this side.
Okay, what is he doing?
He's going to throw this.
I'm going to throw it.
Where?
He thinks he's an Olympian.
Okay, let's see.
Move it. It look like spaghetti. It look like noodles.
Oh my God.
Malir. Oh. Gede ni. Wendi chur. Kana che catfish? Ache kana? Chur. Chur. What do you chur?
Dive then.
I think nobody would think right.
Kene chur catfish.
Catfish.
Kong den English.
Catfish.
Ngare kana nguche twat ko ka.
Achi dong yet. What more than
Anga.
Right there, worry.
Lấy để cho phèn.
Lấy cái nồi trong của nó lấy nó gì vậy? Với, à có cái lối cái điang. You going to cook fish?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of fish you cooking? Which fish?
Black and white.
Blackfish. Blackfish is catfish, and the white fish is tilapia. Hmm? Oh yeah. Okay. Malir is the professional in the farm. He does all the stuff, even the warthog.
Oh.
Aturo kwade kede rechol ga.
Kejuan wo surada.
Hey, did it?
Ang una ba di ada.
We aja angka professional. We aja kan kerja. Mungkin kan nang liba.
Yain deh kan. Yain.
Hanya ibarat. Ngona kan ya kan.
Chado.
Chorba. Kuna reka ne the same? Reka ne pa.
Tapos be na riam ko di.
The cows are going ham. Apur.
Iya naga dia sudah kala pari ke. Kan terbat lo ini ya.
Where to? Kalau waktu tem son. I want to cut the fish.
Okay.
You have to learn how to cut it. Yeah.
Make sure you start on the move. Can it move?
Small fish, yeah.
Not the same fish, but the side that you need to cut.
Actual nguk.
Lord.
They are fighting. Do you zoom, yeah?
Yeah, jalur zoom.
Yeah. Alagi aja tuh.
Ay man, nak tarik kau nak kau bebe buat ke?
Check this, man.
Yeah.
This is like charcoal, yeah?
A tour.
See this fish? This is called tilapia.
Yeah.
Here, come in it.
Ah. Okay, minat. Second.
Nangkau?
Lum ke?
Bali. Kok ang.
Tung kan. Tahun ni, jadi gulu eh?
Yeah, roll.
As you can see, we're making some fish here. This is a barbecue, and the cows are fighting. So Uncle now is calming them down. Because if they see the gun, the cows they get scared. But as you can see now, we are just in here. We are in Kamsin.
Yeah.
Doing a barbecue. Fish. See there, there's fish there, fish here. And later there will be fish there. So, what is the benefit of this?
That one just to get rid of the dust and the ice, so that they can have enough fire.
Okay, to increase. And then they will flip the fish to other
They
side?
will flip later on, because now the fire is not that enough. They flip it before the fish is ready, and then the rest of the side will not be ready.
Okay.
So that's why they have to give half an hour or maybe 15 minutes, depend on how strong the fire is over there. So that's why the guy just using the clothes to get rid of the ash.
Mariel, how long ago were you here?
15 years ago.
15 years ago? And when you were younger, you used to do it in this same place?
In this area.
This area
is called campaign. Even though you see all those palm trees,
yes.
and even though this different type of tree, it wasn't here before.
Yeah. Palm tree wasn't here?
Yeah, it wasn't there.
So it's new?
Yeah, very new.
Okay.
Very new. Very new. And the river is all down there, between those...
Okay. The river between the...
between those palm trees.
Yes.
Yeah, all the way. It's running, the one coming all the way from Uganda.
From
the same river, all the way from East Africa, Ugandan country, all the way up to the end of the river. This is by far more than 70 miles away from where we are.
So
now.
this can go to Uganda?
Yes, go up to Uganda.
So these fishes are starting from here and then they go there?
From Uganda. So
from
they start
Uganda?
coming from Uganda, like during the flood time. So the water starts flowing in September. When it's come to October, that's where the flood can be expanded.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
From
good.
the Lake Victoria up to this distance. So that's how they are.
And for how long does it take for this fish?
This one is just half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yeah, because not much. It depends how strong the fire is. Because the less the fire it is, the more time it takes. But the stronger or the good fire is being burned, then it will take only half an hour.
Okay.
Then all the fish will be ready.
Okay, that's very good.
Yeah, so we have tilapia, we have the mudfish, and we have the...
Which one is the mudfish?
This one, the one with big head.
This one with the big head?
Yeah, that's called
in Australia, we call that catfish.
Yeah, we call it catfish.
Yeah. That one there is real gala, right? And Uganda, right?
Yeah, that one, yeah. It's only one fish. The one with the big head. It's related to other people.
Yeah.
People are called Nyang.
Nyang.
Yeah.
So they can't eat it?
Yeah, they can eat it.
Yeah.
They can eat it. Yeah.
This one here, this is now, I think this is called catfish or mudfish, blackfish. Blackfish, we call it blackfish in South Sudan.
Now standing on Gume, I was jumping on Gume.
Is that blackfish?
Yeah? Are you mad?
Moses, he split the river, the sea. Look, this is now.
You! And Manuel,
Yeah.
when is this going to be ready?
It's going to be ready now.
Now.
This is enough fish.
What are they doing?
They're cleaning this one. They're going to put the fish on this.
Okay, let me help them. Where they get it from?
They got it from this one. This from the palm tree.
The palm tree will grow if you water it.
Oh man, the fish is done. Very good. You ready, Mali? You want to eat because I long no? Back team. The back of the lemon.
Ayan, she's just good.
We're back in the compound.